Back to my channel. Okay, so the clip that you just watched was the end result of this video. So this is what I look, this is the before, that's the after. Okay, so basically in a nutshell, I wanted to show you today how I should get my hair. Like this is like day 2 of my hair. I've got a really oily scalp, so I gotta wash it often. Yeah, and so on. So I also have very thin hair. I know a lot of you actually tell me like, wow, your hair is so nice, you've got so much of volume. Like honestly, no, I actually have very thin hair, fine thin hair, but I have a process to get me like from this to the after part. So I just thought I wanted to just share with you. I also got a new tool that I've been using to blow dry my hair, and I've been waiting to show you because I just wanted to try it out and see for myself whether I actually like it. And final verdict, I love it. So if you want to see how I actually get this hair to look like that, please keep watching. I just had my bath. I'm telling you, no better feeling than having your bath after like a long day. So what I usually do after I get out of the shower, I just let my hair air dry if I have the time. If not, I will just quickly start my routine. But for now, since we have the time, I'm just going to brush it out and then let it air dry while I take you through some of the products that I'm going to use. Okay, so I usually don't get a lot of tangles in my hair because I brush it out before I get into the shower. And while I'm in the shower, when I'm putting my conditioner, ow, I just poked my face. So while I'm in the shower, when I put on my conditioner, I sort of run through my fingers like this to detangle whatever that needs detangling. So yes, let's just let this air dry for a bit. So I'm quickly going to talk about my routine while we let the hair to air dry. So usually for shampoo, I'm obsessed with the Pantene Micellar one. That one really cleans my scalp, and because I use a lot of dry shampoos, that actually removes a lot of buildup. But currently I'm trying a new shampoo from a brand. They sent me this. This is from Waco Beauty. This is the Dr. Seed Super Seed Revitalizing Shampoo. So I've been using this for the past, I want to say 2 weeks plus. Oh, I'm sorry if you hear noises. Those are firecrackers because I'm actually filming this during Chinese New Year. So whoever's celebrating, happy Chinese New Year. So coming back, I've been using this for the past 2 weeks. I really like this. Like no joke, not sponsored. I mean, it is PR, but it's not sponsored. Like they didn't pay me to say stuff. But this is really good. It makes my hair super soft. A review on this will be up on my Instagram really soon. I don't know if it's already up by the time you're watching this. If not, just check the info box below. I will put it there if it's up or not up yet. So I've been using the Dr. Seed one. This one is in the scent Evening Musk. Okay, and then for conditioner. So conditioner is something that I never skip. I always put it in my hair because I definitely notice the difference with conditioner and without conditioner. I received this in PR, but this is not the PR one. I bought this. I think this is, I'm onto my third tube already. This is the Sunsilk coming in, wait. Okay, so this is the Sunsilk Collagen Filler Super Conditioner in Volume Booster. This is actually really good because I am normally used to using the Dove ones. Nothing wrong with the Dove ones, but what happens is because the Dove one is super moisturizing, it sort of weighs the hair down. So because I already have like thin fine hair, it doesn't do me any good. It sort of like like hangs it down once I blow it, you can feel like it's super moisturizing. That's 100%. But because I'm more of a, I like volume, so if it weighs heavy, my hair sort of just, and the razor goes like this. So this is really, really good. It moisturizes but keeps it like really light and like amazing. Okay, so if you're someone that always uses heat on your hair, please use heat protectant spray. Do not skip that step. It's not very expensive. I use the Semme Keratin Smooth one. This is about 25 ringgit, I think, from Guardian. Please use heat protectant spray. It really, really helps with your hair on the long run. I know like one, two times when you skip it, you don't actually feel anything, but please don't skip this. Get a bottle if you need to. Okay, let's just spray it on. Okay, so for serum, I have recently come across a serum that I'm totally obsessed with. It has really, really, really changed my hair game. I usually use the L'Oreal one, the one in the glass bottle. They have one for colored hair and one for normal hair. Something like that. I think you know what I'm talking about. But I recently found this in Watsons. So this is specifically made by, oh, this is a Watsons brand. Oh, I'm impressed. Like, it's really, really good, you guys. So this is the hair system by Watson. This is the ultimate oil. Can you guys see? This is really good. I know the box claims it has 8 to 9 properties, something like that. I will put the information all down below. It's super good. It moisturizes my hair, like it keeps everything really healthy looking, but it doesn't weigh down the hair. So I like serums that are heavy on the hair. That means it really hydrates and keep everything looking really, really good, but I don't want it weighing down the hair, because at the end of the day, if it's going to weigh down my hair, I'm going to lose the volume, you know. So what I like to do is I take a bit of this, maybe yeah, that much, and I sort of just split my hair into two, and since both hands actually have that serum, I just apply it at the end. Okay, so game changer in my whole hair care routine. I've been talking about this for quite some time, saying that I found a new tool and I can't wait to share with you. It is this guy. This is, this looks like the Revlon one. Sorry, hair. This looks like the Revlon one, but it's not the Revlon one. This is a dupe version from the Revlon one. I got this from Shopee. This is what it looks like. It's got a handle and it's okay. Like, I've been using this for the past 2 months, I want to say, and I love it. But you know, you guys, this is around the price range of $49, if I'm not mistaken. I've rambled too much. Let's quickly get into it and I'll just show you how I blow dry my hair. Okay, so first up, actually just section off my hair, just a bit from the middle and the top. I'm gonna tie that up, sectioning it, and then that's all. So this has actually 3 settings: low, middle, and high. And I would just do this. Let me, because it's going to be loud, so let me show you. Okay, so if you can see, this is roughly what the hair looks like, but it's still damp at the roots. But what I like to do is I like to keep coming back to the sections that I did, because I'm going to do it in a certain way. If you notice, I can actually do the whole thing like with just one hand. Like, I can just, you know, it's so easy. So I'm gonna just time lapse the whole thing, because first it's too loud, and then if I'm gonna actually sit here, you are going to sit here with me for like 45 minutes. So let's go. Okay, quickly stopping to show you, when you're blow drying your hair, lift it upwards. Even if you're doing it with your standard blow dryer and brush, always blow it upwards so you get that lift. Can you see? This is just lift without any product yet. You can see the difference between both sides. Let me just quickly do this side and come back. Okay, and then now what I do is I sort of flip the hair like this, and then whatever that's on my crown, I'm going to blow it up that way. Okay, so this is how it looks like after all the blow drying. So if I need extra volume, especially if I'm going out, if I just need something special, what I do is I set the volume, I set the curls with these things, these rollers. So let me just show you how to do it. I'm just going to set it at the crown. I'm not going to do the whole head because that's where I need the most volume. So I've just sort of pinned up the other half, and now I'm just quickly going to do my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just got done with my makeup. I did something really simple on the eyes. This look will be up on my Instagram. On the lips, I've been loving this whole pinkish nudie kind of a vibe. On the lip is the the Tarte lip paint in Birthday Suit. Oh, so pretty. And outlined is Catrice Cosmetics Varison Ford. Okay, so what I'm going to do with my hair is, so once I'm done, I just unroll them. Yeah. And then I get a hairspray. This one I got it from Australia. I don't think you can get it here, but get something that is volumizing. This is the Garnier Fructis Full Volume Booster Hairspray. It's my dog. Full and Luscious Volume Booster Texturizing Spray. So I just sprayed at the roots actually. Can you see? So pretty. Oh yes. Okay, let me just fix it. Then I just use my hands and sort of just place it where I want the hair to go. I always go with a side parting. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is actually how I get my hair to have that kind of volume that I need. because like I've said, I've got really fine and thin limp hair, and all these products and steps actually help give me that volume. And once you sleep on it, like today, once you sleep on it and in the morning when you wake up, it's really, really pretty. So thank you so much for watching until here. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know if this tricks and tweaks works for you. Follow me on my Instagram. Let's talk further there. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.